Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. You can see in our Motorola phone guys, you can see this ghost setting, and guys you want to solve this problem in your Motorola phone device. So in this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve this problem in your Motorola phone device guys. You can see guys everything look like ghost guys, and guys you want to solve this problem guys. You can see your phone screen color has changed different. So guys, how can you solve this problem? So guys, don't worry guys, in this video guys I have this problem solution your Motorola phone device guys. Don't worry guys, I will solve this problem only for 1 minute guys. So first of all guys, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. Okay friends, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting guys. So as you can see this type of setting, and guys click on this accessibility setting like this. Then guys scroll, color inversion, tap here, use color inversion, right side click. And guys now you can see everything is fine in your phone guys. You can use your YouTube guys without any ghost setting as problem. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on the guys next video with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.